COR po ba ang COR? Ang tanong is about sa BIR Certificate of Registration. Pag nag-register tayo ng business natin, for example, isang freelancer, mare-receive natin kay BIR yung Certificate of Registration. Yun yung proof na nakapag-register na tayo kay BIR, at very important yung certificate na yon dahil doon din nakalagay yung mga tax types or kung anong mga tax return ang kailangan nating i-file or i-comply kay BIR. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at J Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Again, walang expiration ang BIR Certificate of Registration. Hindi siya kagaya ng DTI na merong 5 years validity at subject for renewal. Kay BIR, wala pong renewal, walang expiration. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.